Hello and welcome to what's supposed to be our weekly update. It's actually been 2 weeks since our last update. Today is July the 16th. It's about 11 p.m. So we have crazy mad scientist hair going on, and we're getting a little faded. In the last 2 weeks we've actually shifted away from the ground station assembly, and we're now focusing onto the electrical portion, right? The last update we've talked on administering, putting in flash memory into our communication protocol. This is the same stuff. You guys have seen this before, but we are now using different microchips, and we've started implementing flash memory. We're still developing we're still programming the protocol, the communication protocol, and the other thing that we focused on was the manufacturing of the parts of the wheel. If you remember, we had a 3D printed wheel, and we wanted to go towards something that is more stable, that is made out of carbon fiber, and so this is one of the parts that we've made that we need for the wheel. This is a better resulting one, and this is actually the mold. We've placed this back together. Obviously it was held at a stable spot, but this is how we use this mold. Let me take this out. So the piece was held together, and now, right, so this is the piece. This is a good resulting piece. Actually, it's not too good, but if you take a look, so this one was a good part, and this guy didn't come out as we intended. You can see the structure isn't as strong, and the mold itself, it seems like it leaked out in certain spots. And because this is such a thrilling manufacturing process, that we're actually going to go in and show you how we're making these molds. And what we start off with is the carbon fiber. This is the knitted part. We place it on here, and initially we drench this in epoxy, and then we brush the inside also with epoxy so it could stick, right? We go around into the spiral. So let's start again. I know you guys are excited to see how this is done. One thing that we did notice, to avoid the poor results, what we used to do before is we started out by clamping the top. So we started out by going top and then spiraling down, and that actually gave us poor results. It gave us this kind of result. So you can see it's rough and it's uneven. What we've noticed, and this actually is going to save us time and resources, that when we started on the lower spiral, and when we made our placement, sorry guys, bear with me. You know, this is exciting stuff. And then, as you can see, it's actually a lot easier to place the carbon fiber, the knitted carbon fiber, into the mold, and then we just clamp on top, and that way this prevents us. This actually helps out, and we get a better resulting part. So those are the two things, the electrical that we were working on, and the programming, and manufacturing the pieces for the wheel. I hope to have a more exciting update for you in a week, and thank you for joining us. Have a good night.